This is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Square, apartment 104, here in Eagan, Minnesota, 55123. It's July 8th, 2021. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit, non-smoking. It's got central air. Does not have window air, but it does have central air. It's got a fire extinguisher when you come in, a door buzzer. A little bit antiquated, but you push to talk and let people in. Overlooks a decent area to park. We'll open up these mini blinds so you can see a little bit better. So if you got a dog or something, you can put your dogs out in the grass. The room, by the way, this room is about 24 feet long, 12 feet wide. If you are a smoker, you can possibly go out on the deck. Otherwise, don't smoke at all. It's about 24 feet long, and we're going to look at the kitchen again. Everything, by the way, looks bigger in real life than the video. So just kind of keep that in mind. A lot of these appliances are brand new, but certainly they're clean. So we'll look at some of them. You can see that's perfectly clean. Stove, like brand new. Sparkling on the inside. We're going to come around here to the refrigerator and kind of look at that. All the shelves are intact, nice and clean. Coming back around to the kitchen, we'll look at the kitchen sink. Nice and clean. Look at the dishwasher. That looks good too. So then we're going to look at the rest of the apartment, but we'll pan back around to the kitchen. A lot of cabinets here. So there's plenty of room for your stuff. There's even a center island for more cabinets. Sit around there, eat breakfast or eat whatever. First bedroom is about 8 by 10. It's not real big. It's got a pretty standard closet. Nothing fancy on these closets. They're all about the same, and just got a shelf and a bar. Carpet all the way through the closet. Circuit box back there. Thermostat, programmable thermostat. Second bedroom, this is kind of the master bedroom, I guess you'd call it. It's 11 by 12. Once again, similar closet. The closet's the doors are 6 feet of doors, and it goes a little bit beyond each side of the door, 2 feet deep. Standard closet rod and a shelf. This one happens to have a ceiling fan. And here's a washer and dryer inside, apartment size. We also have a full size downstairs if you need it, coin op. But it's apartment size washer dryer here, and it seems to work okay. Bathroom. Single vanity. Nice clean toilet. Look at all the metal, so everything is pretty shiny. Jacuzzi tub, although probably most people just use the shower, but we're going to go back out of the bathroom, find the last bedroom. This is just here to the right, going in this direction. This bedroom, by the way, it's about, I think it's 9 by 13 or something like that. Closet's about the same size, 6 feet of doors. Standard bar and a shelf. Looking back behind the unit, we got mini blinds on the window behind the unit. There is actually a little park back there. You can kind of see a little bit maybe. But it's a little grassy area. You can walk around. There's a little bike path there, or walking trail. More apartments in the back, of course. And we're going to start walking out to the front. Look once again at everything. This little closet here, it's your furnace. Filters are inside there, and then your A-frame for the air conditioner is there. And this seems to work pretty good too, the central air. So we're going to pan back around to the kitchen after we come out here. Just to kind of give you a good overview of it. Center island, lots of cabinets, plenty of clean appliances, and that's what we got. And that, everyone, is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Square, apartment 104, here on July 8th, I believe, 2021.